As TikTok faces a nationwide ban, its competitor Zigazoo steps into the spotlight. It's known as basically a TikTok alternative except for children as young as 3 years old. And amid the potential TikTok ban, Zigazoo is rebranding itself by launching a new app targeting a more general audience. Now, is Zigazoo a safe alternative to TikTok, especially for kids? To get a feel, here's one of their ads.
Have you checked out the Zigazoo app? Zigazoo is a place where you can interact with other awesome kids, learn fun dances, make cool transitions, funny videos, win awesome prizes, post fun trends, see the awesome places to visit.
About whether it's safe, we talked to technology expert Burton Kelso. He keeps up to date on all the latest apps. He talked to the media about Zigazoo when it first came out. He says it is safe.
They have adult moderators that look and view the content that is posted up to the app. Many social media channels such as TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and even someone's LinkedIn will have a AI bot monitor the content that is uploaded to the platform. So it's very safe in that aspect.
Zigazoo has been certified by the Federal Trade Commission. Meanwhile, child advocacy group Common Sense Media says Zigazoo is the example of a safe place for children to be online. But there are a couple of concerns. A key feature of its app is connecting kids with brands. Now, basically inviting businesses to sell to young children as young as 3.
Meet Zigazoo, the world's largest social media app for kids. Kids use their imagination to create videos and respond to challenges from some of the biggest brands and personalities in the world. Wait until you see what kids can do on Zigazoo.
And what are the concerns of letting businesses market to children? We talked to nonprofit Fair Play and advocates for children's well-being in an increasingly commercialized environment. The organization wants kids to be free from manipulation by marketers and big tech. Fair Play campaign director David Monahan says he is worried about Zigazoo.
Kids and teens are exposed to manipulative design, which tugs them to be on platforms and to spend many hours on platforms, scrolling through social media, wasting hours and hours. A ton of sensitive data is collected from young people on social media and used to target them with marketing. And through that marketing, young kids, when they're impressionable, are being sold the concept that they have to buy the right clothing and they have to support the right brands and that's going to make them happier.
Monahan also questions the authenticity of the app. He says Zigazoo may be set up purely to promote brands to users.
Sure, brands have jumped on the bandwagon and said, how can we use this to our benefit? But it seems like the very reason that Zigazoo has been set up is to help market brands and to collect data from young people. And if you look at their privacy policy, they'll be collecting a ton of sensitive data, and they will be using that data to market brands and products to young people.
Zigazoo was founded in America by Democratic socialist Zach Reingelstein and his wife Leah. The two created during the COVID pandemic for their 3 children. We reached out to them but didn't hear back before airtime.